Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to install Directv Stream on your Samsung TV. Let's get started. Before you begin, make sure your Samsung TV is compatible with the Directv Stream app. The Directv Stream app is compatible with most Samsung TVs that have software version 3.0 or higher. So just to be sure, go to samsung.com and search for Directv Stream app. And the TVs that will appear here are most likely compatible with the Directv Stream. So the next thing to do is to download and install the Directv Stream app. So navigate to the home screen, press the home button on your remote to open the Samsung Smart Hub, enter Directv Stream in the search box, select the Directv Stream app from the search results, and click install. Once installed, open the Directv Stream app and log in using your Directv Stream credentials. So that's basically it. If your Samsung TV is not compatible, then be sure to buy a streaming device in order to use Directv Stream app. So basically that's it.